Hi, this is the doggo update. Come here. Come on, Blizzard. Come on, Blizzard. Blizzard, come on. So my friend, not Dark Armor. So, my friend, that PS4 gamer, subscribe to him, he's awesome. He took the other doggo that you saw in the last video, and this is mine. His name is Blizzard. Oh, hey, Blizzard. He's a boy. He is a male Shih Tzu. It's a dog breed. YouTube, don't flag me for it. Come on, puppy. Right now he's just using the bathroom. Yep, we washed him. We have cats in the house. They're kittens, so they're faring pretty well right now. He's already seen a cat from the owner that we got him from, and so he's fine. But come on. See that jump? That's his like. Are you good, bro? You good? Yeah, you good. Okay, and also, if you have not heard of this guy, his name is at loganpaul.com/shop. That's his shop. He is also a vlogger. Subscribe to him. He's awesome. And this is just Blizzard right now. He's trying to get him to use the bathroom. Come on. So that's Blizzard. And I will see you. I will see you in my next video. Come here, Blizzard. Come here. Ready? I gotta do my end. Ready?